Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we're back with a video that I asked you guys in a vlog if you wanted to see it, and you definitely did. So it's basically meals that me and Dan eat in a week. You might just be nosy like me, like this is the type of video I'd love to watch when I'm starving hungry, just to be nosy, or you might actually get some meal ideas out of us. But either way, I hope you guys do enjoy it. It'd mean a lot if you could click the thumbs up and subscribe too if you haven't already, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, we don't actually ever have takeaways, but if you guys watch the weekly vlogs, you'll know that Dan did an exam today. So we're having curry. I got us an Indian takeaway, first one at this new place. Obviously we had to get one from the new area, so we're excited. So here is dinner. The review said they were monster portions, and they really are. But I have chicken saguala, which is like chicken and spinach with pilau rice, with sherbet rice, and you had
chicken balti. Nice.
Garlic bread, poppadoms, and I even went and got chips. We went all out. We don't normally get chips, but
I never usually have takeaways.
No, literally. Oh gosh, it looks so good. Right, we're gonna enjoy this. Okay, we don't come out and have takeaways, like this never happens, but it's a really nice day. So we've actually come out for lunch slash dinner, and I have got king prawn and chorizo linguine, and Dan the man's got fish and chips.
Standard.
So good. So we've just been food shopping. I thought it might be quite interesting to include this into this video and quickly show you guys what we did get. We got a lot of frozen stuff this week, but we have got pizza, got myself some carbonara sauce, chips, celery, cucumber. I love these. Some ice, as we've run out of ice. Fish and parsley sauce, some chilies, some paninis, some muffins, chili and tomato sauce, granary bread, yeah, corn on the cob, classic knobbly bobblies, coffee pods, chicken breast fillets, cloths for the bathroom, roast chicken slices, beef slices, more coffee, peanut butter for Dan, cheddar cheese, fish fingers, garlic bread, smoothie, cornflakes, milk, Pringles, flowers, toilet shit, basically. So that is what we got. And if anyone's interested, the total of all this was
£61.
£61. So yeah, that is what we picked up. Where are the potatoes? Oh, potatoes. This is our fruit bowl that's full of chocolate. We're really not doing things right here, but yeah, potatoes as well. Hi, it's Sunday and I don't have a roast to show. We haven't had a roast in the house yet because it's been so hot. It just hasn't happened, but we were at my parents' house. That's so weird to say. We were at my parents' house today, so it was a really nice day and we had a barbecue. So for dinner, it's like, I swear it's like 8:30, 8:20. I'm a little bit peckish, so I am just cooking some pasta. I'm just gonna have some pasta and put some cheese on it and just have a little bowl of that because I'm not starving, but I know that if I don't eat right now, like come 10 o'clock, I'm definitely gonna be gnawing Dan's arm off in bed, so like better eat now. Voila, that's my pasta for you. Right, you're all gonna click off the video now, I just know it. This is the rankest thing you've seen in your whole entire life, but I can assure you, my friends, it's gonna taste banging. Tonight on the menu we've got fish and parsley sauce. Guaranteed, if you're from the UK, your mum or your dad has fed this to you in your lifetime as a child. A jacket potato with butter and some peas.
Yeah, you just get too much sauce, don't you?
No, you don't, because if you didn't get enough, you'd complain.
True. True.
Dan is a Colin the complainer in life. Complains about everything.
I actually don't. I've never complained at a restaurant in my life.
Well, you complain to me enough.
Yeah, just take it all out on you.
Peas aren't cooked, are they?
They are cooked.
A bit hard, if you ask me.
Do you think?
When
I don't.
Felt with me. Felt hard.
Well, you can put them back in the pan then if you really want.
Oh, Colin the complainer, there he is. Anyway, I'm going to cut the camera because you probably don't want to see this anymore. Happy Monday.
Probably just lost 200 subscribers from this plate of food. True.
Fair play, to be fair, don't blame you. tonight's dinner is a favourite of ours.
Looks like an ice bun.
It does look like an ice bun. It's like definitely one of our quick, easy go-to dinners, would you say? I'd say it's your probably favourite.
Yeah, it's my favourite dinner at the minute. Definitely.
Well, we sometimes have it with pasta, tonight we've got it with spaghetti, just spaghetti, chicken. Oh, it's in here, I can show you. And the Lloyd's Grossman tomato and chilli sauce. Love it, don't we?
It's so good.
Oh, it is just delicious. As well. Yeah, it is cheap and cheerful. And we just have it with a garlic baguette. And we love it.
The best.
Do you think baguette's the best form of garlic bread?
Yeah. Baguette is, yeah, definitely. Because it falls apart. Not the slices.
Well, I don't like the slices. That's the worst form. Yeah. Are the slices of garlic bread. My favourite
is flatbread.
It's flatbread, especially the garlic and rosemary from Tesco's. Ugh, there's something about that. And Zizi's flatbread.
I think when you get to a restaurant, when it's fresh flatbread,
so good.
But I do like garlic baguette.
I would put baguette second, then I'd go dough balls because you don't get too much garlic with dough balls, and then I'd go the fucking slices. They're not good.
Yeah, they're shit.
They're just not good.
Can you tell your people to comment if they don't like garlic bread? Because I genuinely don't think there's anyone in the world who doesn't like garlic bread.
Dan seems to think there's no one that likes garlic bread.
No, there's no one who doesn't like garlic bread.
Sorry. There's no one
Even
who doesn't
Arlo
not
eats
like
garlic bread.
And Arlo eats nothing.
Exactly.
So
everyone likes garlic bread.
If you don't like garlic bread, let us know. We're not going to hate on you. Dan might, I won't. Don't worry, it's going to say it's a happy place here, but clearly it's not anymore. But yeah, also what's your favourite kind of garlic bread is what I want to know. No, flatbread. I think everyone's going to say dough balls. And he's gone. Just like that, he's gone to the football. And here it is.
It looks more appetising than last night's dinner, doesn't it?
A lot more appetising. There is Dan's.
Nice.
So yeah, so she's, well, I told you what it was earlier, but tomato chilli sauce, chicken. Dan cooks the best chicken in the world, if I do say so myself, and garlic bread too.
Amazing.
Nice. Here is tonight's dinner. Toad in the hole. We have sausage and mash a lot, but we actually haven't ever had it in a Yorkie. Well, I have at home. My dad used to do it in a Yorkie sometimes if he was feeling spontaneous. But yeah, this is what we are having tonight with a bit of mustard.
On the hottest day of the year.
Yeah, literally. It's so hot today. We've got a proper little homely meal, but
yeah, to be fair, I do fancy this.
yeah, it looks so good. So I'm going to enjoy this. Hi, it's now Thursday. I can't believe it's Thursday already. But dinner tonight is one of our faves. ATM, chicken Kiev,
Sweet chilli
and lime rice, corn on the cob, and garlic bread. It's a bit of a feast, but we absolutely love it.
It's good.
So that's what we're having for dinner tonight.
Yeah.
I realised I didn't need to include tomorrow's dinner because I started on a Friday. But I will anyway. You know what? Add the content.
Yeah, the takeaway doesn't really.
It's not organic because we never have takeaways. That's like a one-off. And I made the mistake of eating like 7 Moocow biscuits this morning at like 11:30. So then didn't want any lunch because I felt sick. So I'm absolutely starving hungry. Oh, just so good. You didn't try chicken Kiev till like not long before we moved, did you? Nice.
I always thought they had cheese in it. I'm anti-cheese.
Sounds massively anti-cheese.
Apart from on pizza, which will be out tomorrow night.
Can I just say, like, my brother Josh, he's anti-cheese, right? And he sticks to his word. He doesn't have cheese on pizza, doesn't eat cheese strings, doesn't eat Philadelphia.
That Philadelphia today was pretty rank, to be fair. But yeah, pizza's. It is what it is.
It's mozzarella, to be fair, but it's still a form of cheese.
I don't give a damn.
And here is tonight's dinner. Chicken Kiev, sweet chilli and lime rice, corn on the cob, with a side of garlic bread.
Can you get different chicken Kievs? Or are they all garlic and herb butter thing?
No, I think in Tesco's I saw a different one.
Really?
Yeah, maybe that one had cheese in it.
Yeah, we'll stay away from that one.
Okay, sir.
Boss.
Yum, yum, yum. Hello, we're back to Friday. That's okay, Dan just crushed the box, but I needed it. This is what we're having tonight.
So it is such a good pizza, man.
Dan's got his England stuff on.
Come on, the boys.
We were gonna have it. This is why I was keeping it in, because we were gonna have it with Dan's chips, but we don't have enough potatoes,
no.
So we're having oven chips, unfortunately. I mean, they're fine. They're just not as good as Dan's chips.
I'll put a recipe for my chips in the vlog soon. You said people were requesting it.
Yeah, but it's just potatoes and oil.
You won't be able to do it. There's a special knack to it.
No, there's not.
Of course there is.
I've watched
Guys,
you.
you hate me today, dude.
No, I've watched you cook them like so many times.
Yeah, but you couldn't do it like me.
Yeah, I
No,
could.
you couldn't.
What are you going on about?
Go on then.
Okay, so you put your potatoes, drain them in water about 3 times, get all the starch off them.
So you don't cut them up into chip shapes first?
Yeah, cut them up. Then you drain them in the water, and then you put your oil in the pan, get it piping hot. Just dip a chip in, see if it bubbles, that means it's hot. Then I put all my chips in, let them cook. When they're looking a little bit golden and done, I take them out, I pat them dry so they've got no oil on them, and then put them into a baking dish bowl, season them, salt, pepper.
Season them beautifully. You don't just season them, you do it beautifully.
Season them beautifully,
Yeah.
and then give them a shake so it's all mixed in, and then
Yeah.
bam, put them in the oven until they're brown. But that was right.
Okay.
That
To be
was
fair,
right.
you got that bang on.
Yeah,
Fair play.
knew it. Anyway, we're not
You're
having
cooking
them.
them next time.
Fine, we'll do. We're having this pizza. Tesco's do it. It's normally £5. We don't pay £5 for it. We only ever get it when it's on Club Card at £2.50. Ooh, we got sweet chili sauce.
Oh yeah, I'll have mayo.
I will still have ketchup. That's tonight's dinner. And here is tonight's dinner. Pizza, chips and ketchup. Or if you're Dan, you have mayo.
Mayo. Mayonnaise.
Nice. What even is on this pizza?
Spicy beef and green peppers, I think.
And then we've
onions.
put some garlic and chili
garlic
oil
oil.
on it.
Green peppers, spicy beef, and red onion, I think.
Nice. It's good, that's all I know.
It's good.
That's the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If it's the type of video you guys want to see again, be sure to let me know. Or I could do like a whole full what we actually eat in a week. So breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yeah. Or I could just do your bog standard what I eat in a day. But let me know what you want to see. You can comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, especially if you're still here now. Adios, goodbye, see you soon.